Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of iFlight's most impressive FPV builds to date, the iFlight CineFlow 504 6S HD, a 5-inch cinematic freestyle quad designed for pilots who demand precision, power, and professional quality footage. The CineFlow 5 represents iFlight's next generation of FPV drones. Right away, its innovative frame design stands out. Thanks to the smart geometry, you get no propellers in view, even with an ultra-wide camera angle, a huge win for clean cinematic shots, while still maintaining full freestyle capability. At the heart of this drone is the DJI O4 Air Unit Pro, featuring a large 1.3-inch image sensor and a massive 155-degree field of view. This setup captures stunning detail, especially in low-light environments, and delivers real-time 1080p video at up to 100 frames per second. Whether you're chasing cars, flying mountains, or pulling smooth cinematic lines, the visual experience is immersive and incredibly responsive. Powering the CineFlow 5 are XING2 2207 2050 kV motors, paired with the BLITZ Mini F7 flight controller and BLITZ E55R 4-in-1 ESC, capable of handling intense freestyle maneuvers with up to 65 amps of burst current. The result is smooth throttle control, excellent heat dissipation, and rock-solid reliability, even during aggressive flights. One standout performance detail is the extremely low hover throttle, going down to around 17%, which gives you incredible control for slow cinematic cruising, while still having explosive power on demand for high-speed chases and acrobatic tricks. For safety and confidence, the CineFlow 5 includes a built-in high-precision GPS module, protected by a TPU cover to reduce signal loss and minimize the risk of flyaways. Features like rear-mounted anti-spark battery filtering, front-mounted air unit cooling, and quick-release side panels make this drone both safer and easier to maintain. The design also includes an integrated action camera mount, reinforced arms for durability, and a balanced weight distribution that keeps the quad stable even at high speeds. With a takeoff weight of around 733 grams on a 6S 1400 mAh battery, you can expect up to 12 minutes of hover time, depending on your flying style. Whether you're a cinematic pilot, freestyle enthusiast, or professional FPV creator, the iFlight CineFlow 504 6S HD delivers a powerful blend of clean visuals, high-end electronics, and refined flight performance. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and share it with your FPV crew. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next flight.